All right. Well, hello everyone. I want you to take some time to read the problem, and then after that, we're gonna take some time to look at the question, which is what is the moment of inertia of the wheel? That's what we're trying to find. So now we're also gonna collect all the information that is given from the problem, which is the tangential force that is 76 newtons. The radius is 0.13 meters, starting from rest. And then we have angular velocity of 12.3 revolutions per second. But for the first 2.96 seconds. But the angular velocity, we're going to convert it to radians per second. And I did the equation right here. It's 77.3 radians per second. So the most important equation that we're gonna use is torque is equals to inertia times angular acceleration, because we're looking for inertia. And also another formula that we're gonna use, it's torque is equals to radius times the force times sine of 90, which we know that sine of 90 is 1, so we're not going to include that. And then what else? Okay, so the first thing to do is find the angular acceleration, and we're gonna be using that. We're gonna be using one of the kinematics, which is final angular velocity is equals to initial angular velocity plus angular acceleration times time. There's not an initial angular velocity, so we can cancel that out. And to find the angular acceleration, we divide by time, and that's how we find that. These two equations we can set equal to each other, and that's how we're gonna solve the problem because they're both equal to torque, which is gonna be moment of inertia times angular acceleration is equals to the radius times the force. And then we want to solve for moment of inertia, and that's gonna be equals to radius times force divided by the acceleration. But we solve for the acceleration right here on this side, so we're gonna, after that, we can start plugging in numbers. The radius is equals to 0.13 meters times the 4, which is equals to 76.0 newtons. And we have this other equation, which is equals to 77.3 radians per second divided by the time, which is 2.96 seconds. That's going to give us the angular velocity. And all that is equals to 0.378 kilograms meter square, which is the unit for inertia. And that is the answer. Thank you for watching.